What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video, and today I wanted to make a quick video on how to edit the color profile in your Canon cinema camera. I was having a lot of difficulty with it. I was thinking about it all day when I didn't have the camera on me, and I was wondering, how do I change the color space like you can on the Canon R5? And then I remembered it had an edit CP, but it doesn't let you edit the ones that are already set. So what you actually have to do is go into the edit CP menu. You're going to select a user preset, you can rename it, and then you're going to just pick the color profile that you want, and then you're going to pick the color space that you want. It's really easy, and I know this may be a simple thing for a lot of you guys, but I was thinking about it, and there's not a lot of content for the Ninja V Plus and the R5C together. I was having a lot of issues. Right now I'm recording in ProRes Lite, and what I'm trying to do is record in 4K from the camera and record in 4K on the Ninja in C-Log3. So that was giving me a lot of issues. I didn't like the way the picture looked. It did not match in camera. So we found out that it's a limit to HDMI. It can't pass the wide color gamut through HDMI to the Ninja. So it doesn't seem like it's going to be fixed. So what I did here was change the color space to BT 2020. So I'm hoping that I'm gonna enjoy the way this looks a lot more, because out of camera is almost just perfect, but there are a few reasons I wanted to record on the Ninja, and I just wanted to test this out to see if I could. Definitely hit the like button and the subscribe button if this is your first time here. I'm going to continue to try to make a lot of different content in the future, and maybe some content pertaining to the Canon R5C and the Ninja V Plus. My name's Greg with PizzlesTechTime. I make tech videos weekly to keep you guys entertained and well informed. Well, I gotta go to sleep, gotta go to work in the morning. I'll see you next time.